Dow Jones 30 looking for some type of direction. Before we start, a quick word from our sponsor. This video is brought to you by FXEmpire, the world's leading retail brokerage firm offering ultra-fast execution and no overnight fees. Look for a link in the description below. The Dow Jones 30 has initially tried to rally in the early hours on Friday, but it looks like the 50-day EMA is offering a little bit of resistance. If we can break back above the 50-day EMA, then the market could very well go much higher. At that point, I think it would be a nice recovery. However, we could pull back into the previous consolidation area that we have spent most of the weekend, and that would make a certain amount of sense as well. We would simply be retesting the trend line and staying within the area between the 50-day EMA and the 200-day EMA underneath. Markets do tend to be very choppy when we are between these two moving averages, so it's not a huge surprise. Furthermore, we have a lot of questions about interest rate cuts coming out of the Federal Reserve and whether or not the U.S. economy is starting to slow down. And that could, of course, cause quite a bit of uncertainty when it comes to the equities markets. In general, I think this is a market that is going to continue to be very volatile and very difficult to get your hands around. So the only thing as a trader you can do is either ignore it and just not trade it, or trade small positions. And at this point in time, I think once we break out of this range between the two moving averages, then there will be a bit more certainty that you can start trading with. If you enjoyed the video, give me a thumbs up and subscribe.